Chapter 9. This, that, these, those. Get set go. Minnie is out on a beach with her family. Help her sort out objects that she finds near and those that are far away from her. Learn with me. This, that. Read and understand. 1. This is a sofa. 2. This is a balloon. 3. This is a chair. 4. That is a parrot. 5. That is an almirah. 6. That is an aeroplane. We use this when we talk about a single thing near us. That is used when we talk about a single things far from us. Learn with me. These, those. Read and understand. We use these when we talk about two or more things that are near us. Those is used when we talk about two or more things that are farther away. These are oranges. These are girls. Those are mangoes. Those are boys.